In January 1992, a cargo ship traveling across the North Pacific Ocean ran into a fierce storm. As waves battered the vessel, one of its containers broke free and slipped into the churning sea, vanishing into the vast expanse of water. Inside that container were nearly 29,000 plastic bathtubs, yellow ducks, green frogs, blue turtles, and red beavers. All parts of a children's bath set, made in China and destined for US stores. Fun fact, over 1,000 shipping containers fall into the ocean every year. Months passed, then in Alaska, beachcombers began to notice something strange. Brightly colored rubber ducks washing ashore. At first, the sightings were dismissed as a coincidence. But soon more reports started coming in. Toy ducks began appearing on beaches in Hawaii, South America, and even Scotland. These humble bath toys had become accidental explorers, caught in purple ocean currents and carried thousands of kilometers from where they were lost. Scientists saw a unique opportunity. Track the toys to learn how ocean surface currents move. It was one of the first big citizen science ocean studies. Some of the toys followed the Kuroshio Current, a warm ocean stream off the coast of Japan, drifting east across the Pacific Ocean, reaching the west coast of North America. Other toys took a colder route. They drifted north into the Arctic Ocean, where some became trapped in sea ice. Frozen for years, these ducks slowly traveled with the ice, until melting freed them again, sending them toward places like Iceland and the United Kingdom. The movement of the friendly floaties helped scientists refine models of how surface currents and deep-sea circulation work. They even provided real-world evidence for the global ocean conveyor belt, a massive system of interconnected currents that regulate Earth climate. This system, known as thermohaline circulation, is driven by differences in water temperature and salinity. Before the ducks, researchers mostly relied on buoys and computer models. Not like that. But these drifting toys became floating data points, offering hard proof of how interconnected our oceans truly are. But they also highlighted a serious issue: plastic pollution. How plastic can survive in the ocean for decades and be harmful for marine life and ecosystems. Some of these ducks could still be floating in the year 2500. Even today, beachcombers sometimes stumble upon a sun-bleached duck on a remote shoreline. These are known as friendly floaties, and they have become collector's items. An authentic one can fetch up to $300 on auction sites, especially if it can be tracked back to the 1992 spill. Sometimes science drifts in with the tide, but it's money that washes up on the shore. See you next time and good luck out there. Bye!